It's 7 a.m. in Glendale, Arizona. This is Suburban Phoenix, and I am getting ready for a ride on my recumbent trike. The temperature right now is 55 and partly cloudy, so sun's starting to come up and it's a little overcast, so it'll be good to have my lights on. People can see me. I never ever ride at night, but I like to get out early in the morning, so I've got plenty of lights on the trike. Let's ride. First stop will be McDonald's for coffee. I ride the trike on the neighborhood streets, but if I need to get along a main street, like this one up here, I get up on the sidewalk, which is much safer, and it's legal around here. The posted speed limit is 40, but most of the cars are going somewhere around 50, 55, sometimes 60 or faster. I'm going about 5, maybe 6 miles an hour. A typical walking speed is about 2-3 miles an hour, so it's twice as fast as walking. These sidewalks really don't get much use. Most people travel around Phoenix in cars, but every once in a while I will see somebody go by. And hopefully the people in cars are looking out for us, micro-mobility people. And I know what you're wondering. You're wondering why I don't go to Burger King and get coffee there. That's okay, good coffee, but I prefer McDonald's. It's across the street over there. You can see that sign says Crossroads Plaza. That's where we're going. What is that? I'm looking just like somebody dropped some strips of plastic. No big deal. Okay, we're in Peoria. Well, here we are at Crossroads Plaza, and I turn right here. There's the sign for Mickey D's, and we'll be there in a few minutes. I like to stop here underneath the light post and place the order on the app, and then I can just ride up there and just go pick it up. And that's it. The trike runs on coffee. Thanks for riding along with me. I'll see you later.